Moving on, flamboyant luxury cars to free water parks. Candidates for the Delhi University polls are leaving no stone unturned to woo the voters. The Delhi High Court today issued a stern warning to candidates contesting in Delhi University Student Union polls. The court said, and I quote, "People have so much money power in these elections. Elections are a festival of democracy and not a festival of laundering of money. This is laundering of money which is going on. These are some crores being spent here. The election system is not to corrupt the youth. In a place of learning, people are behaving like illiterates. Only an illiterate can behave like this. Delhi University is doing nothing," unquote. Now, let's tell you, the court expressed outrage over the rampant vandalism and of the public property that is across the capital in the run-up to the polls, which is scheduled for 27th of September. Now, judges also ordered authorities to take immediate action to stop this and suggested that the election could be deferred if this situation isn't rectified. Listen in.
Before doing that, I'll give you a brief backdrop of the entire matter. Earlier, we had filed a petition in 2017 apprising the court about the massive defacement of both public and private properties across Delhi. The major concern was that there was not a single place in Delhi which remained free from defacement in the DUSU elections. The deplorable part was places like buses, bus stops, private properties, metro properties were spray painted, defaced, and this ugly display of brazenness was highlighted in 2017. So this time around, I was shocked to see the replica of what was happening in 2017. So the court was apprised with all the photographs and also was shown as to how the entire Delhi is defaced in the upcoming run for the DUSU elections, which is pending on 27th of September.
Currently, we are reporting from outside the Delhi University, and as you have rightly pointed out, there is this display of money and power which is currently being exercised at the Delhi University Student Union election, and this is happening after a very long time. And both the sides, be it the DU, in fact ABVP or the NSUI, they both are displaying the muscle power and the money power as well. But clearly the Delhi High Court at the same time, they have come down heavily on the Delhi University, asking them to take strict action against those candidates who are involved either in the vandalism or in the defacement of any of the public property. So much so that the MCD and the DMRC representative as well, they were present at the Delhi High Court during the course of the hearing, because they also have some kind of properties which at some point or the other have been defaced by all those candidates. In fact, what we are further learning, 14 of the candidates have already been served with the notices, show cause notice from the side of Delhi University, asking them why should their candidature not be dismissed upon doing this kind of activity. But nonetheless, this is something which is usual a practice from the side of the DUSU ABVP and from the side of the NSUI as well. We have seen in the pictures as to how there is brazen display of power, money as well. We have seen the high-end expensive vehicles like Bentley and Lamborghini as well. Now, what is the use of these kind of vehicles? And imagine the kind of messaging which is being given out from the side of panel of both these sides. So a lot of maneuvering is something which usually takes place in this particular election. The voters in the form of the student, they are also lured in some form or the other. And as you have rightly mentioned, free water park tickets were also provided to the women students, to the female students as well.
हो गए और आसपास हमारे हरियाणा लगता है, नोएडा लगता है, जो यहाँ से बाहरी लोग आते हैं कैंपस के अंदर, उसका माहौल बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं होता। नॉर्मल छात्र के लिए वो बिल्कुल भी कोई अच्छी बात नहीं है। पढ़ने में जब कैंपेनिंग करने आते हैं ये कैंडिडेट्स, तो क्लास में घुसते हैं तो बच्चों को उनका बहुत गलत इफेक्ट पड़ता है।
देखिए, ये चुनाव जो है ना, पिछले कुछ समय पे DUO का चुनाव बनाया गया है कि इसे एक मतलब नाम पहुंचाने का चुनाव, कि इसे हवाबाजी, जो कि एक शय हवाबाजी वर्ड होता है, उसका चुनाव बना दिया गया है। अब साहब, आपको दूसरी तरफ देखना पड़ेगा, DU में 1 लाख बच्चा है, 1 लाख बच्चे तक आप 15 से 20 दिन में कैसे पहुंचेंगे? इस मेथडोलॉजी को और DU के चुनाव की मेथडोलॉजी को चेंज करने की जरूरत है।
देखिए, अब कोई चुनाव लड़ता है तो पेरेंट्स भी आते हैं, रिलेटिव भी आते हैं, कुछ मैनेजमेंट का काम होता है। भाई वोटर्स तो कॉलेज के बच्चे देते हैं, लेकिन कई बार पेरेंट्स का ये काम होता है कि वो कई सारी चीज़ें को मैनेजमेंट को देखने का काम करते हैं।